Come test drive the 2018 Ford Ecosport. The Ford Ecosport has an upgraded interior that provides all the features you could ever want. It also offers you the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.